How to play Uno. To play this game, all you need are Uno cards and a friend. Follow these instructions for a fun game for all ages. You will need a deck of Uno cards and 2 or more players. Step 1. Shuffle the deck and deal 7 cards face down to each player. Stack the remaining cards face down to form a draw pile. Step 2. Turn over the first card in the draw pile to create a discard pile. Step 3. Have the person to the dealer's left match some aspect of the discard pile card, either the number, color, or symbol. Place this card face up on top of the discard pile. Play a wild card anytime. Tell everyone what color you want the next person to match. Step 4. Draw 1 card from the top of the draw pile if no match can be made with the card on the discard pile. The drawn card can be played if it matches the discard pile card. Step 5. Pass the play to the next player after a match is made or a card is drawn from the draw pile. Continue counterclockwise, matching the number, color, or symbol with the discard pile or drawing from the draw pile. Step 6. Shout Uno when you only have 1 card remaining in your hand. Play until one person is out of cards. Penalize anyone who forgets to shout Uno when they have 1 card left by having them draw 2 cards from the draw pile. Step 7. Add the values of the cards remaining in everyone else's hands with the number cards counting as face value, draw 2, reverse, and skip cards counting for 20 points, and wild cards counting for 50 points. Shorten the game by playing only 1 hand, with the person running out of cards first being the winner. Step 8. Start a new game and continue playing until someone reaches 500 points. Did you know? Uno was created in 1971 by Merle Robbins, a barber in Ohio. He and his family made the first decks of Uno cards on their kitchen table and sold them at his barbershop.